I think we all know about Panopto and how it's used to capture a lecture. But I spend a lot of my time teaching experienced teachers. I don't tend to lecture. My classes look like this, very interactive, a lot of pair and group work. The students are learning actively and contributing their knowledge and experience. I can include their contributions when I do go into lecture mode. Unfortunately, these interactive lectures are difficult to capture with Panopto. You can see and hear me and my PowerPoints, but you struggle to hear the students and what they have to say. Some of the Panopto video will simply be of students working in pairs or groups. Now, I'm reluctant to change my style of teaching just so that it can be Panoptoed. I've started to use Panopto in an entirely different way. Immediately after the lecture, I come back to my office and record a summary of the class and upload this instead of the recording of the lecture itself. This summary consists of me talking through the slides. I do the filming in one take. The whole process normally takes about 30 minutes, and the final video is typically around 15 to 20 minutes in length. I may include a slide of the activity sheet and one or two pictures showing the results of the group activities. This allows me to include the activities and the ideas that the groups came up with in the video summary and provide students with a recording to review later for note-taking or revision.